Hey everyone, Redmist here, and this is just a quick tutorial of how to put a custom timer into the game using Quartz to help you put a bar on the screen to show your ghost wolf. This is specific to shaman. So we're going to start off by typing /quartz config. So this brings up the Quartz configuration panel, and we're going to look at the mirror bar. Now I've enabled the mirror bar. The anchor frame is free, which means I can move it anywhere I want. If I turn the lock off, it appears, and you can see that I've placed it here in the middle of the screen. Remember to lock the frame when you're finished so that you don't see the placeholder. We've got the grow direction as up. You can change the positioning as easily as just changing those numbers. Change the text just of the bar to what you want it to be, the font to what you want it to be as well. If I click into colours, I've turned everything off. I don't actually use the mirror bar for anything other than this custom timer. So I've turned off every other ability. This won't work for every class, this is specific to shaman. Other classes will see things like dot timers and so on. Now the way that you push a Quartz timer onto the mirror bar is using a ability called /QT. So /QT and then a name, and then a space, and then the duration in seconds, will automatically publish a bar to the Quartz mirror bar with that name. You can see it here. Now this command line script can be put inside a macro. If you happen to create a test bar that's too long, 100 seconds, you can put it to 0 and it will automatically flush the test bar away from display. So now if I go into my macros, I have a ghost wolf macro, which is #show space feral spirit, and then /QT wolves space 45, and then /cast feral spirit. I drag that onto my button bar, and when I press it, you see I have a 45-second cooldown timer showing me how long it is that the wolves will be available. It's not perfect, because if you were to press that button again, it would republish the timer. Hopefully you won't be spamming the buttons when you're trying to summon your ghost wolf. In addition, if the ghost wolves are killed prior to the timer being finished, the timer will not disappear. So it's not flawless, but there isn't a particularly easy way of doing this in-game or with any other kind of mods. I tried doing this with power auras, but I couldn't achieve it. If anybody can figure that out using power auras, how to set up a custom timer, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could publish it to my blog as a comment or onto the YouTube channel. Thanks everybody, hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. And just before I go, quick shout out to Colossus and Morty. Hope you have fun in game. Cheers guys, bye.